And then again to people, you see in the healthcare facility, things have been happening and it's been covering up without nobody getting blamed or nobody hold responsible for their actions too many times.
Minister Health. You may I refer to.
Yeah, you.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali there right here, sir.
And you done to see the king, don't?
Yeah, guys, and from you see the title, you know what we're gonna talk about. Yet another time, something like this is reoccurring, and it's constantly reoccurring. You watch the news?
Yeah. Up and I'm a bad friend.
You watch the news?
Every time I watch the news, guys.
Sad news.
It's bare sad news. And the first thing what come on the news all the while is this. Or with the breaking news, from the 12 o'clock news or the 7 o'clock news, whichever news. The first thing them always come with is this. The crime rate rise, the crime rate increase. No, but
not only crime rate, but death rate at that.
No, you know I'm gonna use the word crime because nobody is getting blamed. Nobody now get blamed. Them a blame the youths them.
No, hold on. I have a rebut for that, right? It is death rate rising in my opinion, while he is saying crime rate. But the two of them are work hand in hand.
She got to elaborate more upon the crime rate, upon the death rate,
yeah.
And me I got to talk about the crime rate.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start with the crime rate. Alright, watch this now guys. I'm wanting to pre-it, I'm wanting to looking at exactly what me I said. I'm wanting to
analyze it.
Sure.
Break it down.
Ashantaya, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You don't know the Shreps go from, you don't know the Shreps, and you don't know the thing goes, so all a Pepsi or whichever flavor drink. Alright guys, so watch this. Them say the crime rate are increase daily. We have 63 people in the House of Parliament. And all them do is fight against them one another. You understand? And yet still them complain about the crime rate. All I see I go on is a big cover up. Alright, for example, let me go in it. Let me break it down.
Yeah, step by step.
Alright, firstly, them say the youths them out of control are some monsters them. And them a kill much people and them a this and them a that. So them enforce some people, the constabulary force, the defense force, them a increase that in numbers to try control crime and violence. Which me come to the realization to say, I not really crime and violence. I not that people. A poverty.
So true. And let me elaborate on that poverty part. Me I take up where you left off, my love. Guys, bear in mind, you see in certain fields and in certain areas where you lack knowledge about it, persons tend to hold you out and take you for fool. Understand? So please, I implore upon you, if somebody says something to you where you don't understand,
Reid,
research it. Research it. Me I beg you. Empty buckle. Me I beg you people, research it, because at the end of the day, if you're sick, sorry about that. If you're sick and you go to the doctor, try and research your complaint before you go.
Because enough of them doctors nowadays are internet doctor them.
Research.
Everything you notice when you go to the doctor them nowadays, you see them with a laptop in front of them. Because enough of them don't know what them do. They
and
only go
to
school, get a certificate, and then come treat your sickness from the internet.
Exactly. I can give you a situation where I've been to the doctor before and I went there having my problem that I have that brought me there, right? And when I reached there, I tell her the complaint, she check me up, is a female, she check me up and all of that, but yet still, you go up on the internet to find out my diagnosis. Then what have you been doing in college, university? What you did I do there? Buy your way out. And then again to people, you see in the healthcare facility, things have been happening and it's been covering up without nobody getting blamed or nobody hold responsible for their actions too many times.
Minister Health. You may I refer to.
Yeah,
you we are dealing with right now. It's a tough time. You're not going good, you're going like a soft time. You're not tough, you're soft, brother. Because watch this right now. You're the Minister Health. You're supposed to respond to certain things and make sure say protocols are followed
So
and
true.
the doctors are paid properly so that you have less negligence in the hospital where people are dead. Because
So
of
true.
that, the people them not get no pay.
First thing,
Only have 160 people with you.
first thing first, they're being overworked and
Underpaid.
underpaid. How you think them are going to function? Guys, I know say when you know work and if the work short only even $500 on a bus fare, that's how you no come one day, talk truth in the comment section. Yeah, you
Encouragement sweet the labor, brother. The people them need the unction to function.
so
If you
true.
not give them the unction, how them are going to function?
And then we're in a global pandemic where COVID this, COVID that, everything is rushed down and them COVID patient need attention, COVID this, COVID that.
No,
What
but-
about the persons that have normal sickness before COVID?
But everything them blame COVID.
That's
My mother sick in the hospital with you and was admitted and she sit down up in a wheelchair till she get discharged.
and how
It's a
long
tough
was that?
time. That not right.
So true.
Stupidness are going around and so. Una say COVID a decrease. You understand? Una nearly kill all me in-law with it. Kill me in-law. Kill.
Guys, that's
Yo,
a whole
wanna
story.
deal with it. Look how me like wanna be
Whole
a
story.
apprentice in the hospital industry. Mr. Tufton, you not go on good. Minister of Finance, you not go on good. Because Minister, this have to do with Ministry of Health and Ministry of Finance. Because you
budgeting
not
properly.
pay the people them. And you not paying the people them are cause lives.
So
and then you
true.
not blame the youth them about crime and violence.
But who in high prestige authority doing it, but it's a push under the mat, it's a look over. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, I can just write up a paper and this can just vanish away.
Alright, for example, Mr. Look upon this. A whole heap of things are going on at the hospitals.
It a go always talk
A whole heap
about.
of people
It's
are
gonna
dead in
always
the
be talked
hospital
about.
because of negligence. Because of the doctor negligence. And you know why the doctor them not even pay the sick them no mind? Because watch this. The Ministry of Finance not pay them no mind.
And not only that, it's been covering up so many times. So if you make a mistake, oh, I know how to fix that.
Yeah, the bigger boss just change out something in the docket
So
and push
true.
that under the side. Push that aside. Look on the girl that was dead with her baby.
Yeah, Jody and Ferran, that young lady that they accused of
And
having COVID.
COVID-19 just
And
because
she
she had
didn't.
cough and a sneeze.
And she didn't, and she was at a high prestige hospital where everything is been taken care of. She never shot her nothing, she never lacked nothing. But at the end of the day, because of negligence and oh, COVID this, COVID that. If you don't know the story, what we're talking about, people research it. It's all over the place,
And I make
everywhere.
believe, when I make up nothing over here, so I
And-
just talk it as it is, because see, when we go through certain things, when we
Yeah.
can reach our doorstep, you know, we always talk about it, but now it's there our doorstep. So we just emphasize and elaborate
Yeah,
more.
and it's
Because-
heartbreaking.
And a crime I do this. This
That's
not
a
nothing
crime.
to do with crime.
That's a crime, but
This
them
are the
not.
system.
That's a form of crime, you know. But here what, them not emphasize on the crime. They matter about the crime them or the youths them are
Them I blame the youths them, I kill off the youths them, and I try and make it look like say, oh, generation of vipers. Yo, I'm telling you these people. Remember, all of we have youths.
So
And
true.
some of we have grow become fathers and mothers. And always remember this. You don't want your youth, but you have your youth are growing. And because of pandemic, him sit down on one corner and play some domino and police will shoot him and say him have gun. And them things they are going right now, people. You understand? When I say, a gun can be there, yes, but I don't must him.
So
But because
true.
him that they play domino, him couldn't even know what go on.
That too, cause sometimes you really don't know.
You see me? Nowadays the system is this shoot and ask question.
And then look on the artists what they are, where them shoot up. I don't remember where him name, but if you know the story me I talk about, comment it down in the comment section and where the man name. Them shoot up the artist man from where that place the name, where that road the name man.
I can't follow you because I don't know the story.
The road, where the road name? Where your friend come from? Somewhere happened with your friend.
Grand Spencer.
Yeah, the artist man they will come from Grand Spencer, them shoot up and say wrong identity. And the man is an upcoming artist when no know nothing about what happened and look.
Police shoot him.
Yeah,
So
innocent the man dead.
So I talk about, oh yeah, I remember the news. So I talk about guys, them things that I talk about. Them shoot and ask question after.
When you
Them
ask
not
question
investigate,
before
you know.
properly
Them not investigate
investigation.
because right now the system set away from money run, you go dead.
Yeah, and
The
guys,
reality.
I really want to put this out there as a proposal, right? Why not allow the doctors, nurses, and trainees coming up as in intern them go up and watch, critical watch. For see what
I advise you put in an intern or a trainee in the hospital for a monitor or a take care of patients.
That's how them will get them practice.
No,
but with adequate supervision,
well,
you
no,
never
now
me
you're
done.
talking, now you're
Adequate
talking.
supervision, it can happen. But you not have supervision. It come like to them get them license and everything already.
Because when you give my sister-in-law this bad cut with you,
So true,
and then
guys.
I try and then I admit
Cover it
her,
up.
and I try treat her good after I do the foolishness. I try cover
Guys,
it up.
me
It's
say-
a lawsuit we should have take out against you know. It's a lawsuit we should have take out
And it's
against
been
you know.
occurring time and
Mr.
time again.
Minister Health.
Check out the people
Check
them in
out
your facility.
The people them in where you are employed, the
Your
people them
faculty
wanna
check
get this
them
big
out.
position, them now
One good.
And first of all, some of them will get good pay too, you know. But them just refuse to do the right thing.
That
and the
is
one
the
them will
next
not
thing.
get the good pay, and them will go hard and go all out, and them not get
Overwork.
right pay.
You have some
And the one them will get the good pay.
You have some nurse where
And
move from hospital to hospital to hospital. Them can't lock them eye.
Oh, my brother.
Them can't
And that's
lock them eye.
why the teachers them are migrate. The nurses
Everybody-
them are migrate. The police, the lawyers, the doctors them are migrate. Even the chefs them are migrate.
And then you end
because
up
what?
with,
Jamaica underpay people.
excuse me. When you
Alright.
do that, you end up with brain drain, and then everybody a go away. And when everybody go away, you nah get to use them with no subjects a chance. You not have no subject, you're a criminal. You not have no reputation, you're a criminal, and you cannot do that. Give them a chance.
You talk about that? So down on the corner now about the unmickle guys. And the people them pass and see her about the unmickle and them come back and them say them pass at 9 o'clock in the morning and about the unmickle. 7 o'clock in the night them pass back from work still there about the unmickle. Them don't know what you're going to do in the hours when them gonna work, you know.
But because
come
them
in
pass you
and
there,
them pass in the morning and pass in the evening themselves. Oh, but him no live now, man.
Cruff.
A crop, a waste man. Yeah, this, yeah, that. You understand? It's just typical people and the system set it the way there.
So true. The system has embedded things in the heads of the upcoming youths where if you're not in a certain profile or if you're not in a certain status, you're not just a certain way. And not only that too. It's everywhere.
Stick up in again.
Everywhere.
Stick up in. You ever see a man in a ghetto impregnate a Azanate or a Chinet or a Lee or a
Never.
Lee?
You can't associate yourself
Or-
with them.
or-
You're
or
not
a
going to get
twang.
the chance.
Let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you this. That's why, as I tell you them all, them categorize
Classism.
the people them. You see me, as I tell you, just like the plane, you have first class, second class, and third class. Same to them do it. You have the middle class, you have the lower class, and you have the upper class. Alright, I'm gonna break it down
In
for you.
other words, you have the rich, the suffering,
Well,
and
I'm
the
gonna
poor.
break it down for you. I say right now, guys, to how the system set. I say the poor are suffer. I say the middle class turn poor. I say the rich are middle class right now. Nobody not rich again. I be a middle class about right now. The only people them rich are Bill Gates and them people. You know why them rich? Because of them I make everything happen. And them I make this. What you see I go on right now. The phone I cannot record pan. The camera what I cannot use for record. The phone I cannot use for vlog. And them make it possible. And them rich. Remember that. Until you start invent and become innovative, you're not gonna ever rich.
Yeah, and guys,
Because you can't work for rich.
so true. And guys, what we're going to leave you guys with is remember, if you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask questions, research. If you go doctor and them a give you a medication, say doctor, why may I get a medication? If you're in the hospital and you get a medication, don't make them chuck it on you. Ask question, why am I getting this?
What is it for?
Yeah,
How
what
it
are
gonna
the
help?
side effects?
Yeah.
How is my body going to react? How it affect my children? Because so many times the children, they cannot talk, for explain or express how they feel.
Them only cry.
Yes. And then again too, we as the parents, we say, okay then, alright, you say this is gonna work, then it's gonna work. We have certainty in you, but then it don't work out that way then.
Yeah, guys. And them always say,
Research.
Them always say, if you want to hide something from a black man, put it in a book. Because them realize that black people don't like me, but them can't trick me because I love Reid. You hear that?
Guys,
me love
remember.
Reid. So you can't go around me try that with somebody else.
And when we say research, we don't mean only the internet. You can know somebody with a nurse. You can have a doctor, cousin, an uncle. You ask them.
A lot of things I see on the net, it's not facts.
Yeah, so
You need
Google
to know that,
sometimes
guys.
trick you as well. But ask who go school, go take in and do it. You could have be your cousin, your uncle, them know it. Ask them. Your church sister.
I remember, guys. Never broke like an egg.
Guys, remember, call upon the Lord. Call upon the Lord. Him, they hear you. Him a hear and him sit high and him look low. So you see all of this what happen, all of them negligence that will happen in a society, them have to go answer to God.
Yeah, and
so
them judgment are go epic, it are go wicked. So
when them time a come, it a go come. So me a go leave you with, remember in everything you do, put God first, ask him if you don't understand. God show me the way, God me not understand. Open my blinded eyes to see what's happening. It don't mean say you're physically blind, but based upon you not able to see and understand, you're lost. Ask him to make you see what happen. Please, people.
Yeah,
I
I remember this. Study your friend them, because they must study you. Even the cat you will claim say she in love with you. What someone where you're par with some girl where your wife up my friend give me a knife cut, bang, bang, boom.
We're out.
We are out.